Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel Healthlink, where we're all about embracing a healthier, happier you. It's about nourishing your body and enjoying the journey. If you're in search of substitutes for medicines, you are in luck today. We are delving into the fascinating realm of black seeds. You might be surprised to learn about these little powerhouses' incredible qualities and rich history. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. Black seeds, scientifically known as Nigella sativa, are also known by several other names such as onion seeds, black cumin, and kalonji. They were highly prized in ancient societies, such as the Egyptian and Roman ones, due to their therapeutic properties. Black seeds are used in food as well as medicine. Their unique flavor adds flavor to food and is usually described as peppery, with a hint of oregano. From bread to pickles, black seeds are a culinary delight. Black seeds are used to treat digestive and respiratory issues, among other ailments. Currently, studies are being conducted to explore their potential in contemporary medicine. In Islamic tradition, black seeds have a special place. The Prophet Muhammad is credited with saying every illness except death has a cure in the black seed. This endorsement has contributed to their prominence in Islamic medicine. And now we are highlighting the remarkable benefits of black seeds and the 10 incredible health perks they offer. What are black seeds? First of all, these small seeds are from a flowering plant native to Southwest Asia. They have been used in traditional medicine since ancient times because of their many health benefits. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouses. Black seeds are very high in nutrients. These little seeds are full of vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can improve your overall health in a number of ways. Macro 2. Boosting immunity. Strengthening the immune system is one of the most notable advantages of black seeds. Your body may be better able to fight off infections and illnesses thanks to the antioxidants and immune-stimulating traits. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Black seeds have a strong anti-inflammatory effect that is widely known. For those with inflammatory diseases like arthritis, these can be a game changer because they relieve symptoms and promote joint health. 4. Cardiovascular support. Heart health is paramount, and black seeds may play a role in preserving cardiac well-being. The heart's benefits are truly remarkable, ranging from controlling cholesterol levels to promoting overall heart function. Number 5. Digestive wellness. Black seeds may be your digestive superheroes if you have digestive problems. They may also help with bloating, discomfort in the gastrointestinal tract, and better digestion. Number 6. Respiratory health. Research on black seeds and respiratory health has shown promise. For people who have trouble breathing, they might help reduce the symptoms of allergies, asthma, and other respiratory diseases. 7. Ability to think. Taking care of our mental health is part of aging gracefully. Black seeds provide a natural way to maintain mental acuity as you age because they contain substances that may improve memory and brain function. 8. Weight management. Black seeds may be a useful ally for people trying to lose weight. Research suggests that these seeds may aid in weight loss by regulating appetite and promoting a feeling of fullness. Chakra 9. Skin health. Your skin can also benefit from black seeds. Psoriasis and eczema may be reduced by the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory features, which can also lead to healthier, more radiant skin. 10. Possible cancer prevention. Some studies indicate that black seeds may have potential anti-cancer properties, but research on this topic is still ongoing. Imoquinone's potential anti-cancer properties are being investigated, but further study is required in this field. That is it. 10 fantastic health advantages of black seeds. If these tiny marvels' potential excites you, think about introducing them into your regular activities. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more tips on living your best youthful life. Until next time, stay fruity and fabulous. Bye.